Hello, so I'm going to show you how to make these little paper clip hooks that you can put on the ceiling. So if this was a ceiling right here, you'd be putting this part up and taping it up. It's for hanging small items because obviously paper clips and normal Scotch tape won't hold that much weight. So here's a paper clip. It doesn't really matter if you want the hook to be the short end or the long end, but the end that you want to be the hook, you're going to open it up a little bit. This part's optional because I just like it open so that it's easier to hook and unhook if you want to change it out later on. And then the part that's going to go on the ceiling, this part, you're going to twist it up until it forms a 90-degree angle like that. And then you're going to take this part. I don't know if I just made this up, but for stability, I feel like a triangular base would work better. I just feel like more area sticking to the wall is probably better. Anyway, so here's the end that you want on the ceiling. Going to pull this out a little bit, and then you're going to kind of twist this around. This will take a little bit of effort until you are satisfied with your top base, and then make some last adjustments by looking at it. That's really not a 90-degree angle, so you're gonna finagle it around a bit until you feel like it'll fit. And there you have it. You can hang something up now. I decided to film this because I've used these hooks in the past to hang up bits and bobbits around my old childhood room, and right now I am in the middle of trying to put up my string lights. So I'm going to be using 9 of these paper clip hooks to hang on the ceiling, and then some Scotch tape, and of course my string lights. I've kind of measured out both the string lights and the closet where I want to put them, which is like up here, and then ideally they'll like dangle like this, kind of. And then I'm going to be placing the paper clips in the corners and like where I want it to loop up, something like that. And then I'm going to hang them up. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is with this paper clip, the part that I said would be on the ceiling, this part, I'm going to do 3 pieces of tape. So there's going to be one longer one, and it's going to go right across, like that. And then I'm going to use 2 other pieces of tape. So if this one's that piece of tape going across, if this one's that piece of tape going across, I'm going to use 2 other pieces and do it here and here, just to give it a little more tape to ceiling action to work with. What I'm going to be doing with all of the pieces of tape is I'm going to give them the, I don't know what they're called, but like the thing where you can take it off, like take a piece of tape and then you're going to fold the edge over so that you have a little tab that you can easily take to start pulling the tape off. And this is because I don't want to be picking at the wall and potentially scraping up more paint than I would already, because this is a rental apartment. So yeah, let's get started. Woohoo, half the closet done. I am a sweaty mess. I'm done putting those up. So just to show you what I did with the tape, first I did the one across here, and then I put down the 2 across this way. And now to put on the string lights.